Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use font awesome icons in your Beaver Builder editor and use it on page or post in WordPress. So what we'll do is we'll open an empty page where we can drop in the icon. Okay, now here I'm launching the Beaver Builder. Now as you can see, the page is empty. Okay, as you can see, page is empty, and I'm going to drop icon module here. Okay, this will fetch the icons from Font Awesome. So when you select the icon, it will show you list of solid icons. So let's go with brands, and let's see if I want to drop in Bitcoin icon or Bluetooth, or let's say even Amazon or Apple. Let's go with Bitcoin, and here can set the size and style. Let's go with 90. Okay, and then come back here. You can add link and simply save it. Here you see your Font Awesome icon with 90 pixel width. So you get the idea how to use Font Awesome icons in WordPress with Beaver Builder.